Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to play offline games on Steam. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. First off, there are a few instances that we cannot do when we are offline. Firstly, is we cannot download games. Secondly, is we cannot play online games. Because how will we Hi. Hi. Today Hi. Today we're going to teach you on how to play games even if you are in offline mode, or how we can go to offline mode. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to know is why are we on offline mode? Either it's because we do it manually, or we do it intentionally, or we don't have internet access. First thing, or a few things to note, is that we cannot download games if we're on offline mode, and we cannot play online games or multiplayer games if we are on offline mode because we don't have internet access. So currently, let's go on over to the top left of our screen and go or make ourselves offline mode intentionally or manually. And now, as you can see here at the bottom, we are currently on offline mode. We cannot play multiplayer games. However, what we can do is we can still play single player games, or games even though that they are multiplayer games, they have single player options. And as you can see here in our downloaded section, we have these current games installed. And as you can see here, we can still play the game even though that we don't have internet. Please note, or we will repeat, that the only games that we can play are single player games or multiplayer games with single player options. Now, if you want to reset or go online once more, is to click on go online. Or we should wait for our internet or our computer to have internet access for us to go online again. And that's how you play games even though that you are in offline mode. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.